this one not big like long more controller.
Well, you gotta think they're meant for 80 volts. Or actually, 70.
Bunch of screws holding this shit together.
Actually, you should see the way
Kayla, did you ever fix your more?
they should do the shock absorbers.
What?
Yeah.
The controller's right there.
Yeah.
See, the problem might be things like the micro switch not turning on.
That one play too.
Yeah, like I said.
The one micro switch doesn't work. Yeah, depends also this control.
Nope,
this guy
not
too.
that one. That's only for
No,
the
I
light.
have one the other day and the lawnmower. It didn't work. No, my lawnmower was
That's the heart. That's the heart right there.
Yep. You can see it's actually missing the return springs for there. But the cool part is this part right here. This is the coolest part of the whole thing. Is this pain in the butt part.
Any of these parts even available?
All right, so here's your
See, everyone's scared to do this.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Look
these
inside.
stupid little springs.
See all this?
Like this is gone. The springs are gone.
Yeah.
So
That's
each
one.
and also the terminal's not touching.
Oh, that's done.
So
That's done.
Why.
Forget it.
all
That
of-
can't be fixed?
Of course you can. All of these are microcontrolled. This is a microcontroller. So if, nope, don't even need a controller.
We didn't
Controllers
open
should
it.
be fine.
All you need is two
one
terminals.
lives, yeah.
Two
It's
terminals
It's
and four
brand new. It
springs.
just got wet.
Yeah, but how come we never opened it?
Two terminals and four springs, and it'll be fixed.
Josh, give me the part number.
And this,
Be open in here bad too.
Oh,
I don't think it got up here. The water?
it doesn't
you
matter.
never know. That's over there.
Remember, it's potted. So because it's potted,
Open it for peace of mind, Mitch.
Hey. You sweating? Why?
the only thing I don't like is that this stuff is double-sided taped onto it, which means when you put it back, you can't really put it back.
You gotta take all that off to get to the controller?
Yeah.
Warren never did this, right?
Isn't that cool? Okay.
New tool with that?
It's our second one in here. This is one, that's two.
Yeah, like I said, more than likely
We didn't open up
the
Jason?
controller.
Jason right here. Mick fixed it.
Yeah, it's already done.
He did it yesterday. That's the one I showed you the video last night.
Yeah.
There's the old one. Yeah.
Yeah, but that turned out just to be the
We
capacitor.
replaced the main controller. You didn't do anything either.
That one
Mitch
was like
fixed
this.
it last night. This one. That's the one on your left right here.
Before, I mean, we didn't do anything to it.
No, this is our first. This is the first one. We didn't do anything to it because it was wet. And then this is the second one.
No, he's talking about the second one. Did we do anything to it?
The second one?
Yeah.
No. One put the battery on. You say controller.
So that being what? The controller? Without-
Yeah, Mitch. Yeah. Mitch, he said it was the.
Juan was on the money with that one.
Well, no,
That's the only thing it could be. Nothing else.
Yeah.
See, now you'll be able to.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, actually, I don't know what they're talking about. It was brand new because this thing was running when it was underwater. That's the only way you can get that burn mark on here. That's not just a regular rust mark.
Yeah,
This-
right.
this
It was.
thing was
It would
running
be because the
underwater.
connection as it running.
So,
And what's up with that blade though?
Exactly.
Nah. Look,
So-
see all this.
see,
They go in here too.
this is from heat. This is not just rust.
From
You
me,
can use the
yeah,
controller?
So yeah,
yeah, and this, and
Forget
this
it.
too.
Get a DeWalt. Forget
you
it.
gotta remember that the microcontroller is what actually turns it on. There is no switch on here. Your switch
So
is your
if they
microcontroller.
come together or separate?
And then you can check the
If they
motor.
come separate, then I order the one.
There's rust in the motor. I can feel it. And it'll free up the second it starts running. In fact, right now it's already basically cleaned up. So a controller,
Yeah.
your two terminals, the four springs. Super important to get those four springs. And the micro switch.
That's pretty much the whole thing.
No, it's not.
Yes,
the
it is.
motor would be the whole thing, and a new light switch. I would change that too.
Yeah.
There's a lot of shit in there.
I bet. Water go in there.
Yeah, but this is the big thing right here. This is a fucking microcontroller. That's super cool.
Oh, let me see.
Let me see.
I guess it might be that, not that one. Maybe different.
I know, right?
Look at this. So
That-
you did,
that's
that's
an old
different.
FGT.
That's right. Yeah.
That's the
Oh
smaller
my
FGT.
god, that's why they're scared. Look, just look
Yeah.
at that. Look at these
Too much fire. Let me stay away from that.
The biggest
I'll be like
pain
that
is
guy,
trying
Al.
to get everyone back together.
Ah,
is
doctor,
this.
don't open it. Let's put some grease up front.
Yeah, that's.
He fixed the gene. The other one's working.
Oh yeah.
It's a controller.
Yeah.
Okay, well, next.
What did you buy at Home Depot?
Terminals.
Yeah,
to come and
these
take a mix.
guys, these connectors, because I don't have those at home. I have buck connectors.
Wow.
He said did it in an hour.
Not even an hour. It took me an hour total. 'cause I
Hey,
had to run
just
the
Bill
whole
Ensign,
video.
sir.
Sent in those parts or report on the bill.
Yeah, they're coming. I gotta pick them up. But there's only one that needed everything.
Yeah.
You did that one?
Yeah, this one.
It's done?
Right now.
Okay, cool. Leo, did you give him the one with the hood or shield or something?
Yeah, that's the one that
Working on it
I
now?
gave to you that I don't need.
Oh no, there was something else.
Actually, you want to see if it'll run real quick? Watch this. We'll jump the terminal. We'll just keep that reset. We'll just jump the terminal. Just think it runs. Oh, also, a cool thing I learned last night, which I didn't know, the recip saw cannot run on 8 amp batteries without cutting the terminal. It's like a BHP 452. You know where you can't put the 5 amp or above?
So you need one of these.
Yeah, but I cut the terminal because I don't care. And it works perfectly.
So you think we might see the light might work?
Something might come on.
Possibility.
Or
If I can freaking get anything to make contact, because there's nothing to make contact with right here.
Right.
This terminal might be completely gone. But they were running this. They're lying to you. They are 100% lying to you about it being
They lied.
brand
They
new.
lied to skip. They wanted a warranty replacement. They said they never used it.
That's bullshit. I'll tell you right now.
said
They,
they never
this
Yeah,
has
they
been
never used it.
heavily used. Here's my piece of terminal.
that was so. That's not even 10 minutes yet. You take the thing apart.
Yeah, I know.
I'm in 7 minutes.
Imagine we had the controller. It'd have been on it with the terminal.
30 minutes.
See, my thing is just see. Oh, seeing the light turn on is what I want to see. I can't even make contact.
Got battery on the other side?
Yeah. Does anyone have a meter on them?
Battery meter.
Meter?
I want to see if I can even catch voltage into it. If I can catch voltage, what I need.
Mitch.
Yes, sir.
What are the chances of the thing blowing up?
No,
Just step aside.
there's literally no chance.
I have it on video. Sorry.
Have it on video.
Do not do that. Do that.
Just do it.
Bad on it.
Are you sure the this is still good?
Yeah.
That's that. No connection.
It's something going
I
on.
think they are coming out very bad.
Yeah, tomorrow. Done. This is from overseas.
Oh,
There it
we
is.
go.
Oh, there it is.
All right.
Where's your wire brush?
So I do have voltage. All right, that's good. See if I can
Yeah,
get
we got
voltage
something.
from here.
Yep.
All right, we got voltage coming in. The only sucky part is, can I make contact? I just want to see that light turn on so bad. I just don't think it's making contact up back here.
Your problem's there, man.
Like I said, all I want to see is that it has voltage going into it. Good voltage on this one, so the terminal is a bit over here. Oh, by the way, it's just a little tiny tab that you screw
Going
into.
in deep. Look at this guy, dirty hand.
Now, what's all day?
I know. Yeah.
Sucker shot. Yeah, this sucker shot. Oh, all these wires come with the controller, so. I just can't get voltage to go down.
Bad, everything bad. Maybe
Yeah.
it was bad too. That's why.
The thing is that this reads the voltage coming in, and it tells the controller if it has good voltage or not. And if it can't read good voltage coming in, then it won't let it even run at all.
Look at that. The tire is so much to bust the.
Oh my god.
The flange, yeah,
Yeah.
they built the flange.
So these guys are a hardcore line. How could anyone even say that they were doing that?
He fell for it too, man.
This is not something you would fall for. They were using this, and
So it's not worth it?
it was submerged. Actually, it is, as long as the motor's good.
But,
But
the
the thing
motor
is-
look like not too good too.
No, the motor's probably fine.
Kinda like
The
look at the motor.
motor's a fun one. This is like 90% housing.
Okay, Gene, yeah, he gave you the ring, and there's a spinning plate.
Yeah, he gave me that. Okay. He was just gonna get the paperwork for that quote. So I could double check I have everything.
I want to see how big that magnet is. Did you look at the magnet last
It's
night?
huge. Damn, that thing.
man, the long
There's another one here.
big like
No?
that.
Those really don't have to come off.
You can pry the magnet apart, can you? Can you pry the magnet apart?
The long one, yeah.
On any of them, you can, yeah.
You can't. Well, you're strong as crap, yeah.
As long as it can free move, there's no issue.
The string trimmer head? You gotta put on a press to set up.
The thing is, I don't have to take those off. Those actually hold the compression springs. That's your anti-vibration on it. It comes right out.
After that, and then we put on a scrap out there.
No, he has to put it back together.
There we go. It's coming. It's coming.
Bring some more. Yes, we got the whole back in the back. The scrap.
Yeah, so you could do all that? Go through everything.
Oh, the motor. Oh, look at that gear.
Yeah, it's a fat little motor. It's like a grinder. Except it's a very dense motor. And the other one was super nice. It was all super clean. I don't like the grease though. The
Grease
grease,
still coming.
yeah, but it's not a good grease. I've worked with so many different type of greases now that I've always just, that is not a good grease. If you ever put high pressure against it, it just disintegrates. They do have better options for that.
Yeah, man, how water destroy this that fast?
And not only that, it just sits.
It was running. I need a mallet.
It's like destroyed it.
There you go. The gear just comes out.
Rusty too.
Yep, rusty it is.
No good.
No good. Even if it died, it would not be running. Because
Maybe you
it's
need to stay there.
If the machine is so expensive, it's worth
fixing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$1,500 bucks.
Well, how much you gonna spend on it?
The controller and mid-say all you need is the terminal.
And
the
this
spring.
is
The motor.
$40 Mac.
Motor too.
Motor's pretty good.
Nah, the motor's all freezed up.
No, the motor's not
Yeah.
good.
Corrosion.
I don't think so.
Motor infield.
The motor's
Motor-
not
It was in that house. I don't think it's out there.
Motor infield.
Nah.
Look at motor.
look at
Come on.
No, that's
Oh,
that's
yeah.
the magnet.
That's the magnet.
Yeah, but
That's
that's
how strong the
that's
magnet
That's
is.
how strong it was.
There's nothing wrong
That's
with
why I
it.
said there's
It
no
needs
way you
a-
could pop that
it-
open if it was
Yeah.
good.
It needs a new. Oh hell no. Yeah,
New
you
rotor,
actually
new
popped that
stator.
easier.
I told you you can't pop it open. If that was, there's no way.
Rotor's fine.
So rotor and stator.
Controller, springs.
This was
Everything,
like,
man.
oh man, I can't.
forget it. We ain't taking that chance.
You can just turn it, dude.
Only thing we're saving is half of the blade. That's it.
It only takes a couple.
So this was completely submerged.
Yeah.
And it was running while it was submerged. I can
So
tell you.
someone tried to run it while.
Because
It did try. It did.
if this just sit there, the cover, if it gets just wet, none of this would have been getting wet. I think they run it while it
Ran
was
it while-
yeah.
They were running it, yeah. It's all burned up.
And then as it run, it suck up all the water.
And even though these things are supposed to have XPT technology, it's really meant just for rain.
Rain, right?
It's all external. It's not something to be submerged
How
in.
many minutes now?
Huh?
15?
Oh, you're right on point. 15-1.
Nah, there's nothing wrong with this thing. There's not even a burn. Oh, actually, you know what? Never mind. There's a burn winding on it.
So one burn wire, it's done.
One burn winding on it right here. The rest of them are good.
Total loss, like
Total loss.
Just like the car, total loss.
Total loss. Was it Allstate one? Oh.
Everything.
Look at the motor.
All right, Josh, put it back together.
So if you want to rebuild
Replace
it
it, right?
completely, you'll need a stator, a rotor, a controller, the 2 terminals,
Springs. Four
the
springs.
4 springs,
And
the
a light.
the micro switch,
remember that?
and the light.
Hey,
And then if you really want to go crazy, you get a new terminal housing.
That just sounds like a GEC01 replacement.
you would want more crazy yet? The new.
Yeah, we're talking about the parts probably 150.
What?
Really?
For all that?
For all of that?
Max
No
repair.
way.
What about
Nah.
Max repair on this is $40.
Yeah.
No
Are
way.
you fucking serious?
Yeah, right? Right, Josh?
Oh my god.
Can you charge me?
That don't make no
Tell you.
sense.
So it's worth it every time. Yeah.
Right.
I mean,
So Josh, I'll charge you.
serious?
Josh, you can look it up.
yeah, please.
Please, I'll charge you.
Remember the Mighty Sean?